Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of the Goan Chicken Xacuti. This is my version of the fiery and popular Goan dish. To begin, marinate the chicken. For this recipe, I'm using half a curry cut chicken, about 300 grams. Add in 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Mix well and keep aside for at least half an hour. Next, prepare the dry Xacuti masala powder. In a teaspoon of oil, dry roast 10 peppercorns, 8 cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds jeera, 1 star anise, 2-inch piece of cinnamon, 5 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 2 pieces of mace, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds dhania, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds saunf, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, and 3 whole Kashmiri red chilies. Once they turn aromatic, turn off the heat and allow it to cool. Grind it into a fine powder. To make the wet paste, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add in 8 cloves of garlic chopped and 1-inch piece of ginger chopped. Saute for a minute. Add in 1 medium onion sliced and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Saute until the onions are translucent. Next, add in 3/4 cup grated coconut and lightly roast for a few minutes until it changes color. Grind this mixture into a smooth paste, adding a bit of water. To finally prepare the dish, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add in 1 medium onion, finely chopped, and cook until translucent. Now add in the marinated chicken and sear on high flame. Next, add in the wet paste and the dry masala. Mix well. Next, add in a cup of water and mix. Once it begins to bubble, lower the heat, cover with the lid, and let it simmer until the chicken is cooked. You can add more water if required. Finally, add in 1 tablespoon tamarind pulp. Mix. Check the salt and add more if required. The Goan Chicken Xacuti is ready to serve. Serve hot with pav bread or rice. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.